creamy tomato soup. Chicken noodle soup. Lentil soup. Broccoli and cheese soup. Oatmeal with nuts and honey. Khichdi. Porridge. Roasted root vegetable risotto. Beef stew. Chicken stew. Mutton Karahi. Stuffed bell peppers. Garlic naan. Shirmal. Paratha. Cornbread with honey. Roasted sweet potatoes. Brussels sprouts with bacon. Spinach and paneer. Stuffed mushrooms. Gulab Jamun. Hot chocolate with marshmallows. Walnut and date cake. Rice pudding, kheer. Masala chai. Ginger turmeric tea. Hot lemon and honey. Carnation milkshake. Roasted chestnuts. Pakora. Spiced popcorn. Warm samosas. Eggs in purgatory. Lamb ribs with rosemary. Chickpea and spinach curry. Kimchi. Sauerkraut. Baked apples with cinnamon. Cinnamon rolls. Peshawari chipli kebab. Roasted carrots with honey. Sweet potato fries. potato soup. Mutton Karahi. Halwa puri. Go kebab. Roasted pumpkin seeds. Hot raspberry cinnamon tea.